Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. That's So Blessing. Today I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. I'm going to show you how to straighten your hair like a professional. So stay tuned. You're always going to get the best results if you start on clean hair. So that's what we're doing today. I'm just misting the hair slightly with some water, and then I'm going to go in with the oils or serums of my choice. Today I'm using BioSilk and Argan Oil. I've already used some heat protectant. You're going to make sure that you work the serums through the hair. Then you're going to go ahead and blow dry. I'm using a Denman brush and a red hot blow dryer. This part is really important. You want to make sure you get the hair as straight as possible, especially if it's anything tighter than a body wave. You want to make sure you get all of those waves out and get the hair as silky as possible before you flat iron. I'm not even gonna lie, my hands got so tired. I'm not used to working with the Denman brush, so I didn't get all of the waves out, but I got most of them out. Here's the flat iron I'm using. I have it set to 410 degrees. It's really important to stay organized, so I'm going to start from the back. I'm going to detangle each section, and I'm not going to work with sections of hair wider than 2 to 3 inches. We're also going to be using the chase comb method. So basically the flat iron and the comb are going to go through the hair at the same time. The flat iron is chasing the comb. That's why, it's called the chase comb method. I like to hit the roots of the hair at least twice because, that's where the wefts are. Sometimes they need a little extra help laying properly. And then I go through the rest of the hair about 2 passes. Don't abandon the chase comb method when you get to the ends of the hair. Make sure you follow it all the way through the ends. Hair, I'm just trying to get the width of my section even and a good size to make sure that the roots aren't still wavy after I flat iron. Remember, our goal is to stay organized. So I'm starting from the middle and then I'm working my way outward. If you want to start from one side and work your way to the other, that's fine too, but just make sure you're staying organized. We're about halfway done, and this is how we are looking. And just like that, we are done. Nice, sleek, and straight. No crimps, no crinkles, no waves, no frizz. This is a frontal wig from my pre-made collection. It is also custom colored. You can get yours at blessedbethemain.com. I'm going to link it in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this was helpful and it answered all of your questions. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment if this was helpful, or if you decide to try it, let me know how it goes. We'll chat soon.